we got the Hummer all buttoned up and finished. So here's the finished product. We're gonna open the door. Our steps go down. You see the magnet there. Magnet in place here. Shut the door. Steps go up. Back door, same thing. Passenger door, same thing. Everything's locked up. And remember that our magnet system, you don't have to go through the firewall. Once you plug up the box under the hood, you stick the sensors in the door. However, you don't have to come through the firewall. You don't have to come from under the Hummer. It's a pretty evasive, non-evasive install. All you have to do, the hardest part, is mounting the brackets and taking off the rock rails if you already have them. If you don't have rock rails, you're about an hour and a half ahead of the game. So just wanted to show you what the finished product looks like and what the rails look like backed away. Look nice and neat and tucked up. Let's get one more open. They definitely look great. Be a great addition to any Hummer. We'll probably only have a limited set of these, probably make 100 max in our short lifespan run for this car, because you know they don't make Hummers anymore. So this is a great product from Lone Star Development. Hope you guys like it. Take care.